Good morning, good morning, good morning, family. So this morning, I'm just gonna do a watermelon update on the watermelons. I seen Brother Broke Farmer's watermelon update. Brother, everything looks amazing, amazing, amazing. So for my family, if you guys have not checked out Broke Farmer's channel, head over there to his channel and check out some of his content. And don't forget to come back and finish this video. Okay, guys, let's jump right on into it. We got quite a few watermelons, y'all. The last couple of days, it's been like 85 degrees, so it's been feeling good. But this morning, it's super duper hot. So we might get to 100 today. Can you guys see it? It's so sunny outside. Those are the Icebox babies. Tendril still green, so it's not ready. It's still growing. We have another one here. And they just keep coming, y'all. They just keep coming. It seems like they just gonna keep coming. I don't know. I didn't prune my watermelon vines. I'm just letting them grow wild. And it's like when you let it go wild, it's like I'm getting more. Composed to if I pruned the vines, I probably would have got 1 or 2 watermelons per vine. And they're going a little bitty one down there, y'all. Moving right along. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, good morning. The day just started. Let me try to navigate on through here. Like I said, I'm letting mine grow completely wild. Okay. We got cucumbers over here on the ground. But there's another one. Tendril still green. Oh, we forgot a cucumber over there. Y'all see it? I need to get him out of there. Okay, now let me try to get back through this jungle to get to the other side. I moved a lot of stuff down. You know, my pellets was right here. So I moved them so my vines can run out. It was a lot of grub bugs in the ground. So I put the, what you call it? Diatomaceous earth in the ground. And then I covered it with this plastic. I don't want to kill all the bugs because they help pollinate. Okay. This is the Jubilee watermelon. And it's just going, y'all. Isn't it beautiful? Let me see. Still got more flowers. That's why I say this thing just keeps on giving. And that's all right with me. Now the tendril on this one is dried up, y'all, but it's so little. I think I'm gonna leave it there. And that one right there was on the ground, y'all. Let me move back around. This one right here, it was on the ground in the sun, and it cracked open. But the tendril still green. It looked red in there. I check on it as many times as I have to check on them blackberries over there to make sure bugs ain't just having a good time since it's kind of busted open. I'm hoping it kind of scab over or whatnot. But I don't want to pull it yet. And we got another one right there. They just everywhere, y'all. Here go another one coming in. Now I say soon as some start to get ready or close or like the halfway in the cycle, more just keep coming. That's all right with me. That is all right with me. There go one right there. Try to get some of these vines down. So we can lay it on the ground. And then there's one right there, y'all. I hope y'all can see. Like I said, they just everywhere. A nice little abundance of them. I can't complain. I ain't did no more to them than what y'all see in the videos. We found some weeds, y'all. Now these cantaloupes, I believe they done got choked out from the watermelons. But I see some healthy green growth down there. And then at the end of this cantaloupe, it's nice and green. So, and this one, it's like some of them coming on back. And I ain't did nothing to it. It gotta survive. Oh, here's another one, y'all. That's why I say they just everywhere. Look at that. Get this weed out the way. Look at the big juicy thing sitting over here in the cut. And then this one next to it, it looked like it was growing beside it. So it got a little dent on the side of it. So I'm trying to spread that out a little bit. And they cool too, cool to the touch. And ain't no telling how many more I done miss. Because like I said, they just pops up everywhere. I said next year I'm going to have a little section for them to grow wild. I don't think I want to prune my vines. I rather just get nice size watermelons. I really don't care how big they get. Because I mean, how many watermelons can you eat before it go bad? So, I'm not in a rush. And I don't care about the size. I care about the quality. Look y'all. Look at these. A whole watermelon hanging from the trellis. This is a Jubilee, y'all. Look how beautiful it is. Just beautiful. That is beautiful, y'all. And it just hanging. Bless his heart. Bless his heart. So yeah, y'all, we got quite a few watermelons, enough for us. And then I started, y'all, 6 more watermelon plants. Now I didn't do nothing special. It was already some little starter plants that I had seen when I was out. I think it was Lowe's, and they had some Jubilee watermelons, and I found 2 containers with 3 watermelons in each one. And I literally just stuck it in this bed. I didn't divide them. I didn't do nothing like I normally do. I just stuck them in the bed. That's all this fresh, young, new growth right here. So yeah, I had to come in here once the other ones finish and get the old ones out so the new ones can run amok. So that's all they're gonna do is run amok and be all over the place. That's why I cleared this out. And every day I come out here and try to find some vines that I can pull from the bed to pull it back over to this side. But yes, y'all, that's the update for the watermelons. For these beauties. I can't wait to harvest, y'all. I know that one right there with the crack in it, it's going to go first. But the tendril still green on it. It look like it's slowly turning brown at the tip, but it got a ways to go. So I'm going to leave it. You know me, I'll cut the bad part off and keep it moving. But I know that'll be the first one to go. But yes, guys, that's going to be the end of the watermelon update. I hope you guys enjoyed the update. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave your comments down below. And I will see you good people in the next video. Peace.